Bye, Jay.
Is to be praised. We keep receiving blessings. Welcome to V-La-Nessa. World, it's your girl. Lifestyle flaws about her day. She's sweet as pearls. It's your girl. Inspire you in every way. Welcome to V-La-Nessa. World, it's your girl.
Oh, watch this.
Yeah, man.
Oh, what's it? Oh my God. Don't cry.
Coverage. Look on.
See you later, Adama. Safe journey. And we'll see you winter at JP International Airport. What's that? Oh! Hey, no, I mean, I like the ugly. Oh, the ugly look so she all cry. Oh, they, she a cry. Oh. Bye. She a ball. You can't let go now. You can't let go. Yeah. You can't let go now. Yeah. Don't leave us. Don't leave us.
I'm leaving Tuesday and you make sure text me when we reach over, say babe me left or anything you want to call me.
I see that enough. It's so sharp.
One CC and never two. Any of Vanessa and Ashley left you and not text me, tell me, say then let me don't come here and dump them in their mouth.
But we not have a number to text
me.
Oh, but
me not give you my number, me not give this for other people.
So how come you tell babe? I never tell me.
Yes.
I babe your friend for?
You don't take my number now.
It's 20 on a Saturday. It's 20 on a Saturday.
Yeah, but you still.
She said open a car on every Saturday. Right. Over and over. And over.
Where you take money by that?
So yeah, it's here, you know. You want to?
I swear you take money by that.
You know, from people.
Where you take money?
You make a one. I'm just not a cheese fan.
I'm a tip you use by Ashley.
Yes.
Remember I was sick yesterday. I'm a tip one before get to use by Ashley.
Oh, you did sick yesterday?
Yeah, I did sick yesterday.
You did sick yesterday? I come with New Year's time.
Come on.
Unpronounced tomorrow.
Unpronounced, just make all in unpronounced and come back with that.
Come back with clean. Typical Jamaican.
Yeah, typical Jamaican.
Hey, remember saying it's supposed to work? Look how many here, sir. Come. Watch them. Hello. Wrong direction. Mad 2 bedroom.
Move fire, sir. You're not knowing your panty. Move fire, sir.
Ashley, you're dirty like the coffee where you're doing. Bad color like the way you're the chai where you're drinking. The chai coffee with the...
No matter we have grey blouse and party.
Hold this, Shani. Hold this, make me cost them, Shani. Hold this, Shani.
What? You know what it
Mr. Ashley,
Come on, you know.
Ashley, you wicked. Ashley, you wicked. How much bedroom you get?
1.
Jesus, Ashley, you wicked.
Enjoy your 2 bedroom.
Don't talk to me, V-La-Nessa. Don't check me out. No, me not check me out. No, check me out. Wicked.
By the time you get your half
when you might drink out.
Energy go to next one.
me at
Watch him.
No, but it's up on the video. We will see it after. No, sir. And every time, every day, I joke with them. Yeah.
If you don't upload already.
You can't understand me fast at the moment. The video uploaded, it was copyright. I know it's re-uploading, and then me don't want to post it and then no HD. You understand? I go upload and I go be grainy. I mean, I like that. You get me? So you just have to wait. Can you wait, please? Can you wait? People, can you wait for the vlog? Remember, this weekend and I never get none, you know. And look there, me I go no one. You read the mind. Well, enjoy your 2-bedroom. Yes, you're welcome. See you later.
Bye.
And be good.
I will be good. I will continue to do what I've been doing for the past year.
No, we don't want you to continue. We want you to be better. Because you know that you're a troublemaker, right?
Yeah, it's just not printed out.
Okay.
Tell the people them.
So,
Let me tell you something. I don't continue just like how I continue. Anytime I go live, I want everybody come. I just want to come from live.
Not proper English.
I'll continue to be. Don't leave me on.
One by one, we're slowly getting out of here. See there, I lost.
One by one. The Ghana come around for the first time.
For the first time, you qualify for
Well, from just come around, but no semester of using the winter to make up to the summer.
Right. Yeah, so.
Go for the bed. Go for the bed.
you leave it?
No, you can't lay in the office. No.
Just
I
Beverly?
don't think I'll be back because my 2 years is up. And you guys do not take out of the country. So unfortunately you won't see me up to the next 100 years.
She very hopeful. She can live till 100 years.
No, we are living around.
Plus her years that she have now.
Have no plus more. So stop.
After the afterlife.
Yes, I definitely will.
You're leaving us?
Huh?
You're leaving us?
Yes, JP has been good. He's have it up, so he's have it down. Me never get no one tips, so because of that, me kind of vexed.
So we never.
We all are
up. I just mostly down.
When are you leaving?
When are you leaving? Tonight.
Not tonight.
Tomorrow, Tuesday.
Yeah, I find
Tomorrow,
a boyfriend.
Jesus
and I'm
Christ.
going to get married on Tuesday. So I'm gonna buy my dress. You notice I already doll up and stuff like
I
that?
said your hair looked nice this morning. I noticed it.
I'm gonna put my
Well, I
makeup
found John the
on.
boyfriend.
What about the shades? What do you think? Shooting a brute, what do you think?
And it ain't a brute.
We don't need a brute.
I'm cute, but I'm no brute. I love it.
Watch out.
Hey, you don't talk about it.
She got good.
Johnson, we can walk straight.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Bye, guys. Have a good
Bye.
Bye, JP.
JP. Yeah, we do the dance.
What is that? Oh yeah, last dance. Yeah.
Dance.
Come along and sing that song. We don't know how the lyrics go because
Look at yours, I'll be closed.
we going now.
They're gonna close, I'm not gonna get there.
You see, because I don't know me, I have to keep on the video because I always say some stuff when me off camera. You know?
Guess on your situation, we have the camera now. We're not
You're not gonna say nothing.
No,
You're not on.
camera for me, you come in a Chantel.
Don't fight the pan, Shanette. Don't fight the
Chantel.
Fight the pan, John.
Yeah, you know, fight the pan Chantel.
I see Derek Morgan there. Are you are Derek Morgan?
Show them Derek Morgan.
That's Derek Morgan. So real.
Crazy people. winter.
Testicles are hurt me.
Testicles.
Testicles. You laugh too much.
So now where you get testicles from?
I want them so low. I'm not on testicles. I'm not man about that. Pretend like you didn't hear that, guys. Pretend you didn't hear that. Anybody hurt you again? Say it in a slow motion. Leave me alone. Just say it in a slow motion.
Testicles.
Or what? Ovaries.
I know.
No ovary. Straight up.
I only live here, sir.
Straight up, John. Yeah, straight up. Straight up. I wish
This one.
This
one. And then the other one.
Wow, I thought it was that one.
Never can just send me on your still. Why you find funny in that? We think people talking a laugh. And then man serious.
Makes sense. No make no sense to start a new week.
Yeah.
Mm.
You think send me on
And it's at the last pay, at the last.
Yeah, that's why you take me out for the ship.
next week.
Oh yeah, because no, it's
next week in 2 weeks.
Oh yeah, next week in 2 weeks.
That well I work. Where she going?
Come on, baby, bye. That's a pleasure. Come on, put up. John, bye.
Me can't manage.
Oh, she ran away quick.
Laugh go walk and laugh go.
And laugh doing.
Alright. Okay. I'm gonna charge my phone because apparently we're going to. Jeez, that's a dog. I'm gonna charge my phone because as I say I was on live all day and my phone dead and them said them I go what am I go? Bowling or something like that. Not bowling. The rock climbing. So later.
One for you.
Thank you.
One for you, Mulan. Thank you. Okay.
What do you call it?
Natalie, the boss are wait for you. Huh? The boss.
Outside.
Yes, we are come.
Stop coming and come. Clips and reel. Are we watch movie?
You have a great time with us today. First of all, we need to get you all ready for climbing.
Hold this up to your belly button for me. Turn around real quick.
Yes man, show off. Bring disgrace. Come now, Joe, you can do it. You for the heights? Yeah, last one should go up there. Remember, like yesterday, you're going to conquer your fear. Don't go up on the next step and then come down. Go up on the next step. Go on the next step and then come down. Just jump down. Run like action.
Run.
One step at a time. Yeah. Yeah. Ow, me stop. Yeah.
Come on, get me, mom.
Yeah.
Say my name, say my name. I see you fine. I love you. You ain't running game. Say my name, say my name.
Almost there.
Almost there. Whatever that song is. 2 more.
You acting kinda shady. Ain't calling me back.
Woo! Alright, jump down now. Yay!
Watch quality. Watch quality.
It's tight.
Why me need them feel like I'm filming them? Am I finished? The kitchen?
Yeah. When I say you don't look like you're a rookie teething, man.
So, no see me, so me not step up with me.
You're not a rookie. You're not a rookie, man. Couple more to go. You're halfway there. That works. Remember, so the pods come off. You're not shit, man. You're alright. Two more to go. Brave up, man. Remember the last one in and you hold on to, you know. Center your step.
Keep going. Go to the top, buddy.
Keep going, bring the bell up there. Kick off.
You can't stoop, man. You can always stoop. You can always stoop and jump.
Watch she like the machine.
Kind of fun. Just
Vanessa, what's the bubble going? Bubble up. That's right. Very good. That was good.
Every other word is a yeah, okay. Could it be that you are at the crib with another lady? If you took it there, first of all, let me say, I am not the one to sit around and be played. So prove yourself to me. If I'm the girl that you claim, why don't you say the things that you said to me yesterday? I don't say that I have so many things. Something's going down, that's a way.
Yes, Tony. Yeah. Watch it.
Alright, put your foot running. Put your foot, yeah. That works.
Hey, Tony, there's some.
No, you have to stand up now. You have to stand up now. Stand up now. Yeah, hold on. That no work. How that go work?
Whatever works for you. Yeah.
Watch him. Look at him sitting.
Nobody's holding you back from me. We're saying everything to me times two. If somebody said, then tell me who. Say my name is around you. I love you. Say my name.
Hey, V&M, turn up in a foot, you know? Hey, your car return it too much, you know? Your car return it too much.
And we improvise.
Stand up now. Ah, dear.
Rock up my baby, rock and don't stop.
Now you have 10 minutes into all this, you know? 10 minutes. You see, you still have to follow me at the end of the day. Sit down.
You don't step up there yet, man.
Oh, you come down now? Reach. Oh, you gonna come down now?
No, your foot still up on the second.
Oh, you gonna come down now?
Your foot still up on the second to last one. You don't reach
Who you with? How would you like it if I came over with my clique and try to change it now? See you got a bounce when 2 seconds ago said you just got in the house. It's hard to believe that you are at home by yourself when I just heard the voice, heard the voice of someone else. Just this question, why do you feel you gotta lie? Getting caught up in your game where you cannot say my name. I know you say that I haven't seen the thing. Something's going down, that's the way it seems. Shouldn't be the reason why you act this strange. If nobody's holding you back from me, I know how you used to do. Were you saying everything to me though too? Why can't you just tell the truth? If somebody's there, then tell me who. Say my name.
Let's go, guys.
Say my name. Say my name.
Then I saw no serious when I have fun. I saw no serious when I have fun.
One thing.
How was it?
It's like Mystic Mountain.
Okay.
I think Mystic Mountain more difficult. Maybe Africa.
I don't know. This is a bit small to what I'm used to.
Exactly. The only thing Mystic Mountain I have at this, I'm gonna go there.
No bad, man. No bad.
What is that phone there?
Up there, Van. Go, Van. Up there, Vanessa. Climb up, climb on that corner for your man. Climb, Vanessa. Climb like when you climb, man. Climb like, alright, until it's in the middle. Watch and jump off it. Go on, Ben.
Overlap them?
Overlap. In water.
A drop it drop?
Yeah.
Hey, pussy can climb it up. Turn on, lock up yourself.
Done.
No, this is not.
Then like.
Be best trick with that. She doesn't want to tell me, sir. I'm going to tell me this over the salon. It was a good day.
It was a good
Good
day.
eve, yeah. It was a good day.
It's a good day.
It wasn't a good day because I almost died. I went on this, I almost died. You get me? I don't know about anybody else. No, but I know that I almost died before. Today.
No, sir. It was a good day. Every sooner. Reach up there.
Nice try.
Stuff all of my white shoes. Oh man. You could have a long come over here, so still in the because we are not guests. Thank you. Bitch. I made it. Guys, as you can see that this weekend has been a very eventful weekend. So for all those who were waiting for me to go to water park, you know, get the vlog. And guys, that vlog it's stressing me out. This is the 4th time I'm actually exporting it, because every time I upload it, them say copyright. So right now I hope this is it, because I'm not even gonna upload it 4K. I'm gonna upload it 1080p, because I just can't bother. And it's a Saturday vlog. It is 8:59. It's almost 9 o'clock, right? And I don't normally release vlogs so late. I release it in the morning, but you're not going to get it tonight. By the hook or by the crook, you're not going to get it. But everybody's leaving. Today, 3 person left. Next week, a busload of people will leave. Sooner or later, I'll be here alone, and then I'll leave. We're just trying to kindle together before everybody left, because honestly guys, this group has been the best group. This group changed the narrative of not wanting to be anywhere near any Jamaicans. And let me tell you, it's not a whole heap of Jamaicans in there, whole heap. And we don't really mesh with everybody, but those who I came in contact with, yeah, them cool. You understand? So, not lie, this was a good the experience was good because of the people. Like, people have differences and so forth, but it not really bother me like that. But the thing is, I never heard any major thing happening here. The fact that we have so much Jamaicans here, me no hear like no major out of, you know, normally people that get fired and all those stuff. No, them keep them party. People got party. Who no one got party, don't go. Right? We plan little games night, and we go places around like JP and so forth. Big up on yourself, everybody, you know, big up on a nice clean self, and don't change. If you're not gonna change, get better. And look out for them. We're not gonna find them, right? If we don't go as the place, I'm gonna say, oh, we saw up on V-La-Nessa vlog. Yeah, V-La-Nessa vlog. Yeah. I pray that next season is better. I pray next season is better. Virginia wasn't bad. The only thing with Virginia, listen, Virginia had more money, you know, and it wasn't bad, but it wasn't that fun. It wasn't this fun. And this one is, so I pray that next season is way better. Like, honestly, I wish that all of these people was going the same place. Like, the little group they saw, yeah, I wish all of we did not go the same place. I not talk about everybody else still, but the little group there, I wish that everybody was going the same place. Like, next time we just take a bus and just take a road trip and go over wherever. We're gonna try to see if we can keep the group, because we have a group, and see if we can link up. Anyhow, not to start off the vlog yet, but yeah, it's been an eventful week. I did live today, went to water park yesterday. We went to Clips and Reels, which is a movie theater thing, but it have like an arcade. So we went to the let's see. And right now, guys, nothing in my refrigerator, nothing right now. You know, for when it's a shrimp something in the fridge and fries, that I just do. And I don't really feel it because I made fries yesterday. I love fries, but not so much. And I do jerk chicken 2 days ago, and that I bring for lunch. That's the last. I have no more chicken, no more meat. Only thing I have a chicken foot, and probably tomorrow I just gonna come buy a soup. I don't have any pumpkin. I have piece. I don't know if I have piece of yam. I don't know. I don't think so. And I am. I just so water, chicken foot and dumpling problem what I go do. Hey, hard times, no, hard times. But I don't want to buy anything and I'm bringing my last drink tomorrow. So me just have to just go on Amazon and buy a case of drink. I need a case still, but probably like 12 drinks just in case, you know. Anyhow, we're gonna try get a movie and get that uploaded again and see if this is the last chance because we can't do it again. We can't do it. Can't do it. So I'm gonna find a movie and relax, be tired. Before things say yo, I walk on, I was just going is I'm pulling out my hair, so yeah, I put out my hair. And today, I called in sick because me just not feel good. Me head hot me and me never sleep last night. So I called in sick and then I'm just getting some housework done, pulling out my hair because it a break up my face and I go wash it. Plus I think I may start packing today, I'm not sure. Not sure, it depends on how I feel. Like the house empty, nothing in the air. And probably if you go Walmart or the shop on Amazon, but if you shop on Amazon, no meat, other spare tin stuff like probably tin ackee and those kind of mackerel and those stuff. So I'm just gonna go back to watching church and finish putting on my hair. I'm gonna get your shoes like that. Where you boot there?
Pack up.
Everything.
Pack up.
Alright, I fall now and look on the boot here. Like me here? Like me here?
Yeah.
She ever diss me?
I say you couldn't come and work yesterday.
No, last night we did it.
Because you have to fix here. You have to edit video.
I never edit no video still. Last night we did it. I did nothing yesterday. More than clean.
Hold on,
Seriously. Put your hand, just catch it. Catch it like how you normally catch it and walk coming in the bus. You're not far. Catch it something. Catch your shoes alive. Catch your shoes alive. You can't do them? Okay. Morning.
Oh, we're taking pictures of getting on the bus, huh?
Videos. Snow line.
Those are even worse.
Snow line.
Snow line, okay.
Imagine when we are leaving actually we are finding out so we have free coffee. How we are go?
We didn't know long time but remember we never.
The free coffee because of Michaela always get me for Monday and Michaela like yeah, go no way.
No sir. You never
going for free coffee.
But when y'all get into the hourly, like what? Morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Morning.
Sweet treats.
Pizza, no pizza please.
We don't want any pizza?
You don't want any pizza.
Why?
Because I said so.
But this needs to be
Bacon, egg, cheese sandwich. Sorry. So I came home, did a live. Hope you guys like it. This is how the hair turned out. It's not a 100. It's been a while since I laid my own whatever, but it's not bad. Normally when I lay wig, like let me lay the wigs and I'm not pleased, me take it off. This one it kinda okay. It's okay. The only thing I would change is the stocking cap come all the way down here, so but it's fine. It's not that bad. Is it? It's not that bad. It's not that bad. But now I know I did the trial and error, I know what I'm going to do, and yeah, next time when the real wig that I want to put on, that one, I gotta slay that. You can talk to me. Next one, I don't even want any baby here. But it comes with some, so I may just, yeah. I don't want any baby here. Yeah, anyway, I'm going to warm up my curry soup. If you know, you know. Curry soup. And then I'm going to go into packing the box. But that's going to be in another video. You're not going to get it in this. That is the start of season 3. Yeah, season 3. So stay tuned for that. We're not even going to tell you which part me I go. Whenever that video drop, that's when you're going to know where I'm going. Okay? Alright. So I'm just going to do that. I was planning to go to Provision to buy some stuff because I don't have anything in the house. Like, my purpose never go buy anything. The last time I bought a lot of stuff, but I didn't like me eat them off. You understand? And right now, I basically kind of have a week left. And no food in here. If I hear curry soup, you must know it that bad. You understand? So I'm just gonna start packing and all those stuff, and you'll get that in another video. So stay tuned for season 3, episode 50 something. But you know what, episode 1. You get me? The count continues. Yeah. Stay tuned for the first video in season 3. Yeah. Listen, packing is something else. Like, look at all of this. The box and everything. I'm actually starting out the clothes, so but yeah, this is not going to this packing is going to be a whole separate vlog, so we already said that in the last clip. So just stay tuned, subscribe if you haven't. Stay tuned. Yeah, I'm going to show you what I do because people been asking me how you do that. I know the process, everything that's going to be in one vlog. Alright, and that's gonna be season 3, as I said before. But yeah, I'm just gonna fix up and so forth and get ready for bed because I have work at 8 tomorrow, and I think I've came with a decision and I need to tell them that hey, this is my end date, and yeah, I put my back on a schedule. Yeah, and then I need to email the people them so that they can book the flight. Finalize everything. Yeah, I think I made up my mind now. So stay tuned to see where I'm going. You guys probably have an idea, but stay tuned to see where I'm going. Stay tuned for series 3. Yeah. Let me know, should I start to count over or continue counting? What do you think? Should I count over? Let me know. Should I count over? Maybe I should start, because if it's a series, you start from 1. So I say normally go, right? But I was just thinking, like, you know, people can actually follow along. Like, if somebody just come, they can actually start from day 1, go all the way up from when I just started the vlog series for H2B, and just continue. Or it still would that make sense, because if a season 3, you know, so there must be a season 1 and 2, and you can still follow. Let me know how you want it, you know, because I'm just thinking. Yeah, so that's it for tonight. I'm going to just slightly tidy up because I don't like to wake up and see messy place, and put these stuff one side. Remember, we're just packing. Oh no, this is not for this vlog. Let's not talk it out. Yeah, gonna tidy up the place and get ready for bed. So stay tuned for those episodes. More content coming, traveling. Maybe an old state, or maybe it's a new one. You never know until you watch the video. Yeah. Anyway, good night. They provide lunch for us, and I got this, which is, I think it's an Italian sandwich with salami, ham, and one bag of something. Let me show you. So I have oatmeal and raisin, salad, and some pasta. And then I got 2 bottles of water because I run out of water. And I bring this. I don't really drink soda, but you know, desperate times call for desperate measures. Yeah. A farming time now, so we have to take with them offer. Anyway, I'm gonna try this. This have like some pasta and meat, something. So I'm gonna try. It's not bad. It can have this sour taste to it. I think it's whatever they put on it. But it's not bad. But I'm gonna go ahead and warm the sandwich bread toast, and eat my salad. So that's what I'm having for lunch today. Ashley called out sick today. Yeah, she's sick. Oh, and I also got this potato chips. So whatever I brought today for lunch, I'm gonna bring it tomorrow. Yeah, because you know. And tomorrow is our last day, guys. Tomorrow is our last day. Tomorrow is Ashley and my last day, but I'm not leaving right now. It doesn't make sense for me to go into a new pay period. And it makes sense. It's going to be like 1 or 2 days, and I need those days to pack anyway. So we're not going to do that. So I've been working by myself today. It's not so bad. I went to a 1-bedroom, walked that off, and still have time to stung like home here. Actually, with a stung, and I came here. When I came here, the bathrooms wasn't that dirty. The towels was up and everything. So I basically finished both bathroom in here. So they come like they're not even coming here. So in here so clean. All I need to do is, don't say it's already done. All I need to do is spread the bed, vacuum, and wipe. So I am now just going to have lunch. And oh yeah, I launched my ebook, guys. So go and support, share. I did this in a way where you guys can also earn if you want. So it's an affiliate thing. So what you do is sign up to be a part of the affiliate, and then share it and get commission based on how much sales you make. So I make money, you learn, you come on the program. It's a win-win situation for all. So go and check that out. And if you just want to support me because you've been here for years, even though if you know what H2B, you know the ins and outs, yes, you can support me same way. Buy it for somebody. And the thing is, when you buy it, it's going to be stamped with your email. So even if somebody shared, you can know if somebody has shared your thing. You understand? Which we don't want that. We want everybody to just buy it. When you buy something, you value it more, you know? So just support your girl. Yeah. So I'm just going to go ahead and have my lunch. I'm going to eat this up. And yeah, so that's that. I safely say that this is the last episode in this series. Yay! For all those that's been rocking with me from season 1, big up on a nice clean self. We're on to season 3. I want to see if I can edit this and get it out tomorrow, because today I've been packing, doing final stuff, getting my deposit back and all these stuff. So right now I want to see if I can finish it. I think I got most of the stuff out of the way. I have the box right there. That suitcase is already packed and weighed. I have some other stuff right there. I'm going to pack. I have not finished packing it, but I feel like this time around I'm good. Like, I don't think I'm going to be overweight. Let's not jinx it. But I decided not to bring the pots. If I need pots, I'm just can't bother with the heavy load. Because remember, I bought a lot of stuff here. So I have to replace the weight of the pots. Replace them with the weight of the pots. So that's that. So we're closing off this season and we're starting off with a new... Listen, I know that we always post on our Saturday, but remember, we're going to somewhere new, and I am doing serving. And if you know serving, to make most of your money, you have to do it. You have to work on a weekend. And if I'm working on a weekend, I don't know how the days of release going to be like. I don't know which day I'm going to release on. Just bear with me, I'll update you along the way. But this is the end of this season. Listen, I haven't replied to any comments. I'm so sorry. I've just been really, really busy. I'm not even read them yet. But when I'm in the plane or when I'm traveling over or whatever, I'm going to see if I can, read the comments and reply to the comments. That's the video from last week and this week. But yeah, season 2 JP is officially ended. Yeah, so we're going to start off season 3 next week. Yeah, I'm not gonna start the vlogging tomorrow, but I already start some video because I have the packing and all these stuff to do. Yeah. Oh, this has been, I'm gonna give my review on this place next time. It has been an incredible experience, good, bad, whatever. I'm gonna give my review and my tributes. Yeah, I am going to. So stay tuned for next season, next episode, next series. Yeah, peace and love, and don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to purchase my ebook. And if you don't think you need it, just share the link with someone who you think that may need the book. All right, peace out.